monitor the time, so that way they get used to this in future also.
So, Manideepa, connect process.
Staff work,
No, we have it.
so just monitor 8 minutes and
Hi everyone. Hi sis. Hi everyone. Pandemic situations, COVID-19 before, right? Many of the people, families, relatives, friends all suffered by the helpless situation and in the dangerous situation like crisis. Yeah, let us discuss today. The app name is Connect Crisis. I researched it my own and I got an innovative idea about Connect Crisis. Yeah, first, what is agenda? Meaning of agenda is why this app should be done. Coming to this, nowadays everyone is suffering from a problem that floods, pandemic situations and virus, health issues and fire accidents, incidents and like many are suffering and many of the victims of that, right? Yeah, that is a problem. I have created how this app going to be executed. As I am engineer, I have designed an app that is called Crisis Connect. Coming to objective, why this has to be implemented? What is the advantage to implement it? Let us discuss in objective. Coming to features. Yeah, fine. I created an app. What are the features of the app? Next, challenges. Unique feature. What is the speciality of this? Use case of this app. Benefits of this app. What are the advantages of this app? User interface of app. How this app should be used. Yeah. Coming to what is the problem first. Whenever the crisis occurs, many of the people becomes helpless due to lack of communication. Yeah. For example, floods occurred in one district. There are many illiterate peoples who don't know how to communicate to the government or how to communicate with the maintenance. They have to interpret the problem. They have to tell their problem to the government to help them. So by this app, we can say our situation and we can intimate our situations to the app maintenance or to the government. This app mainly denotes that communication. We have to convey our situation to other person that is helpless. If floods occurs, there is network? No, there is no network. At that time, this app is useful a lot. And in COVID pandemic time, there is no communication between the person to person because it is a virus, right? Yeah, when there is, no one is there for us. Relatives, family, friends, no one will help for us. We can survive to life ourselves through this. I will tell you detailedly. So next, executive summary. Why it should be executed? Actually, whenever you want to translate your situation, your current situations to the government, maintenance, family, friends, etc., it is multi-channel communication. It communicates from one place to another place, from one server to another server, from one person to another person. Location tracking. If I am suffering at this place, I don't know whom to tell, how to tell. Now my location will be tracked by the government or maintenance of this app. Document sharing, incident reporting, emergency contact information. If I am in the helpless situation, this app may be help to me. Yeah, objective. The main objective of a Crisis Connect app is to make an essential tool for organizations in effectively manage and respond to emergencies. Yeah, I told you before, right? Whenever we are in an emergency situation or in a helpless situation, we can communicate to others. How? This is going to be how? See, the main advantages of this app is whenever the flood occurs, there is no network area in your place. When you already noted the details, it should be sent. How it will be sent? The person will change from one place to another place, right? So it automatically sends your details and your present location, present situation to the app government or the app maintenance without your involvement automatically. And many illiterate people don't have the skill how to communicate our situations, how to communicate this all. So they had mainly used this whenever they're in offline mode also. Their situation, their location, the image, the current situation can be translated to the authorities and the app maintenance. Yeah. See here, when this app is used. Now see natural disasters like floods, earthquakes, etc. Workplace emergencies. Whenever the place is attacked by the fire and you're suffering from the fire incident and etc., you can tell them and you can report how your situation is there. Next, public health crisis like COVID pandemics and etc. Some viral fevers, we not have anyone. So you can connect directly with the authority of the app and the government maintenance. IT disruptions like cyber securities, cyber attacks, system failures, data breaches, etc. Security threats. Basically, this app also had a better security that if many of the females, if I share the image for how much public it will be shared, they had some scared. But through this app, no need to be scared. This is the most security app. Next. Yeah. I'm telling app. What is how is to be installed. See, whenever you log in with an Google or phone number, email or phone number, now you'll get a categories like public, health services or pandemic, incidents, natural disasters. There are all categories are divided here. So you have to select the category from which situation you are. And there is nearby location, sharing your location, sharing your image, sharing the message and etc. And you have to share to the government or the app maintenance. Yeah, here I had reviewed the scan, but through this we can, if you have any queries, you can go through that. Yeah, there are many challenges, many of the securities or many challenges can be developed through this, and this app may be useful in every situation when you are in helpless and etc. So 1 minute. I had one idea that up to coming for agri-tech, there are many crops taking long term, so short term. Thank you for everyone.
How does it work when there is no network? What is the technology behind it? How does it work? Explain how it works when there is no network.
Sir, actually, without network, the app can't be work. But what I told is, it can be automatically send your details to the authority of the app. Actually, when you had, I told, when you had installed that, when you send your location or your situation, it may not send to an authority because of network technical issue. So you may not check, check went or not, you may not check. It is not time consuming process. You just leave it after typing your details or sharing your location, you just left. But after that, if you not check also, it only automatically gets into the authority without your involvement. Network is not a matter. If you're on offline mode or online mode, whatever it is, if you noted once, if you're changing your place from here to here, you don't need to check every time it's went or not. It only get automatically interact with the authority. However, your present situation.
So once the network is back, it will send the information.
Yes.
So it will store when it is off.
Yes, it is stored. Whatever we noted there.
And then send it when it comes online. And it's a network in the sense of wireless thing. It's
no, sir. Network means only it's a connection of devices, right? So definitely we should have a network. But the main advantage is we don't need to check whether the network or how it's going to be or the fast of accessing network. We don't need to go into check. It automatically gets stored and it's sent to the authority. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you haven't come up with the financial, how do you make money and what are the economics behind it? How do you make money from this app?
Yeah, how would I?
Yeah.
Actually, I've not seen the profit of this, but I'm a technical student, I'm an engineering student. I had created an app. It's an innovative app that everyone should be know and everyone should have their lives from getting worse to better.
So you should look at the startup companies.
Yes.
They have to eventually make money,
Yes.
right? So that revenue model is one of the key component of the startups. You should figure out how do you make money. If you want to deploy this app, somebody, do you monthly charges or one?
Sir, firstly, the authority of the app is not only about the government, right? Many of the engineering students also can lead this app, or not only engineer, many technical students can lead this app and take to their own, can have some profit will be for who is going to authority this, right, no sir. Can have the better lives from getting worse, and also technical students can earn money through this app, because the main motive of this is to live better.
We have a lot of passion.
Ah.
Yeah, work on those economics as well. Figure out how that works. Thank you.
Digicrop.